I'm getting tired of the same old thing, spinning around and around like the hands on a clock. I'm getting tired of the same old thing, spinning around like the big hand on my watch. Drinking doesn't help no more, doesn't make it stop. It's getting old, the same old thing. This drink don't help no more, but I gotta make it stop. It's getting old, the same old thing. I wanna be anywhere but here, the Golden Gate to the Jersey Pier. Take a car, a bus, or hitchhike there, I don't care, just take me away from here. See the same things every day, trying to do it all by the book. Can't bring myself down to take a second look. Let's make today a brand new day. Drinking doesn't help no more, but now it's gonna stop. Let's make today a brand new day. I wanna be anywhere but here, from the Ozark Mountains to the Southern Hemisphere. Take a trade.
We make it happen for us. We make it happen for you. I like to say we lost one of our guys that used to be just like you. His name was Harry Sullivan on Payless Plumbing. But you know what? You guys are important just as he was important to me. I love you guys. We love you guys. We will continue to do this for you because you are here for us. And everything you need, we will continue to give you everything, because together we're a community. You help us, we help you. We love you. Enjoy the party. Thank you for coming.